what would you choose? Faster development cycles or better security for your applications? But what if we told you there's a way to have both? If you're at BlackHat USA 2023, we can show you what we're talking about in our DevSecOps Masterclass 2023 edition. That's right, we're back with the latest version of our most popular course ever, a 4-day marathon of security automation, cloud security, containers and Kubernetes, and much more. From DAST and SCA automation to SAST and infrastructure as code to supply chain security automation, we're getting right into secrets management and encryption, policy as code with Open Policy Agent, and integrating security automation with CI/CD tooling. This time, we have a whole section dedicated to cloud and cloud-native security pipelines, as well as a deep dive into DevSecOps for containers and Kubernetes. All of this content has been revised for 2023 and features all new hands-on labs and challenges where you can test your security skills. We've sold out this course for the last 5 years at BlackHat, so you better grab your seat before they run out. Click the link in the description for more details and register today for the DevSecOps Masterclass 2023 edition.